Please refer to supplied Quick Start Guide before assembly. Connect black power cable and slide the handlebars into the steering column. Place foot on scooter and lift the steering column until it clicks. Turn and lock the steering post in place. Install the supplied handlebar screws. To unfold the scooter, unlock the locking ring and push the handlebars forward while pulling the locking mechanism up to release the steering column. Lift rubber outlet port protector and plug in the AC charger. After turning scooter on, test lights by pressing the power button once. Connecting the Shellride app, switch on the e-scooter. Activate the Bluetooth function on your mobile device. Lastly, select your e-scooter in the app.